Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Office 365 to-do list effectively. Most of the people using Office 365, but some people only using its to-do list. This is very important mind reminder tool for your any needs. If you develop any project, then you can use this tool to remind your deadline with hassle-free. Let's learn how you can do this. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. So first you have to log in with your Office 365 account. So then you have to click on the to-do. So now the to-do list will be open. Here you have to click on the new to-do list by click on here. So I would like to use the software project. So here I would like to add the multiple list. So first I have to add one by one. The first list has been inspection app. So this app deadline should be October 2. So I have to select the date for the deadline. Then you can click on the reminder me button. Then you can choose the date when it will be remind that. The October 2 is the last date, so I would like to select one day before, then click on save. If you would like to repeat this, you can use this function. Then you can add the another project, quality app. That should be the date for October 30. The reminder should be 29. That's it. So you can also add one more app, the protection app. That is, the date should be November 19th and the reminder should be November 18th. That's it. So you have to click to add. So now you have added this list. So whenever you configure this app in your mobile, it will be reminder based on your due date. So you can easy to find the project deadline by using your mobile app. So once you have completed this in your mobile app, you can just select this. That will be completed. This will be very easy to finish your project by using Microsoft Office 365 to-do list. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.